Hello, I'm Michael Reeser, School of Kinesiology, Instructional Technology Fellow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sessions to your Moodle attendance module. If you are using the template site for the physical activity program, your site should already have an attendance module added. So what you'll first do is just log on to your Moodle course page, as I've done here, and you'll look for at the top where it says attendance, and you'll click on that to go through. The first thing we're going to do every semester is we're going to add the course sessions so that we can take attendance each session. And we'll do that by entering this page and clicking Add. We're going to be able to create all of our sessions in one go rather than doing them individually. But the first thing you're going to have to do to make that happen is click here where it says Create Multiple Sessions. The next thing we're going to do is add the session dates, and the session date and end date are the beginning and end of the semester. So if I was adding for this current spring semester of 2015, I know the semester began on January 20th, 2015, and I know that it's going to end on May 9th. What's important to get here is just the dates of attendance, so don't include finals week because you're not meeting that week. So then I'm also over here going to choose the time that my course begins. Let's say that this course begins at 9:05, and the duration of the course is 50 minutes, so 0 hours and 50 minutes. Finally, I'm going to choose the session days. This course that I've made up meets on Monday and Wednesday. I'll leave the frequency set to 1 week. What frequency means is how often something is going to repeat. So this means we're going to repeat weekly. If you were to change that to change this to say 3, it would repeat every 3 weeks. So you would be missing 2 weeks in between. And finally, I'm going to click down here where it says Add Session. This will give me a success page. I'll click through, or it will go automatically. And I'll go back over here in the tabs to Sessions to make sure my work was saved. So this is showing me just this week. There will be 2 course meetings, but if I want to make sure I have everything, I'm going to click All. And this shows me all the sessions I've created. If I want to delete any sessions, I'm going to do so by looking at this list and clicking on the X. So let's say I want to make sure that I'm not taking attendance for the weeks of spring break. I'll click X right here and delete that session. If I want to add it back in, I'll go back to Add, and this time, instead of clicking Create Multiple Sessions, I'll just choose that specific date, March 14th. As you'll see, the end date and the frequency are now grayed out because we're not making more than one. I'll fill in the information as I did before for just that one session. Again, 0 hours, 50 minutes. And then I'll click Add Session. And now, as we can see, if I go back to Sessions, that May 14th date has been added back in. This is all that you'll need to do to set up your sessions. If you have any questions, feel free to email kinitf@umn.edu. That's kinitf@umn.edu. And I'll be happy to help you out further.